Wow. I open this up and this is what hits me. I'm like, oh. Hey you guys, so today it is time for BOXYCHARM unboxing. How fabulous. So this is actually my first ever BOXYCHARM, so I am extra excited for today's video, like extra excited. Let me just grab my knife. By the way, this is the box, so it looks like that. It is quite heavy today. It's always a good sign. So let me grab this. Nah, it's not gonna work. So I'm gonna grab my eyebrow sharpener. Ooh. Okay, so exciting. This is how it looks inside. You get this little card right here that explains the products you get. And then let's see what's in it. How nice is this? This is the ultimate daily conditioning cleanser to gently but effectively cleanse the skin, remove face makeup and daily impurities. Oat amino acids conditions the skin while gently bubbles, deeply cleanse and dissolves makeup. Love! Blended with apple extract, vitamin E, and tea oxy. Green tea leaf, this gentle foamy cleanser inspired by the rainbow aura of bubbles is mild soap free, SLS and SLES free. It retails at $28. Glamglow is a quite expensive brand, or that's what I think at least. So, oh, this looks lovely. I love the unicorn rainbow vibe. This is so nice. I wonder if this, like, because it says it's supposed to bubble, so I wonder if it's like, have you seen those masks on Instagram where it's super bubbly on your face? So hopefully this is what's gonna happen. I think Glamglow is a great brand. They have lovely masks, but I haven't actually tried their cleanser, so I'm super excited about this. For our next item, it is the iconic London, and this is some sort of lip gloss, or iconic London. Is not iconic of London, it's iconic London. I have their highlighters and they're amazeballs. So this is the lip plumping gloss in nearly nude. Let's see what it says about it. Iconic London lip plumping gloss. I love the lip plumping part because my lips are not so plump. Are the unlimited combo of non-sticky gloss and plumping power. The high shine formula is infused with mimetic peptide, which help to support natural collagen production for more defined and voluminous looking lips. It retails at $26, so we are already past 2 boxes, which I just love. And it's not sticky, and it tastes like mint. So it tastes like mint. Feels like mint on the lip. I believe that is like the plumping effect going on. It smells quite nice. This is so my color. This box has already done its worth for me. I could have gotten just these 2 products and I would be like, yes, I'm done.
Anyways, let us dip into our third product.
This is the Becca Anti-Fatigue Under Eye Primer. Looks like this in the box. I actually don't even own any kind of Becca product, so I'm really excited about this. Let's see what it is. It's blue. I was so excited. I was like, is this a shadow or something? But maybe this will be the product that blows my mind away. Like, blows it away. So I need to read what this is because I don't know what it is. Anti-Fatigue Under Eye Primer is your secret weapon to re-energize tired eyes, which I need because I am so tired all the time. I go through like 10 cups of coffee a day. The thin, delicate skin under your eye is the first to show signs of aging. Unique pressed priming balm glides on easily to cool, soothe, smooth, and rehydrate fatigue under eye. $32? Little pod of some sort of a product. Tails at $32. Pat along under eye and orbital bone. Avoid the lash line. Tip: use over makeup throughout the day to revitalize eyes. So you're supposed to use this throughout the day and put it over your makeup, but you're also supposed to put it before your makeup. Wow. Has like a really smooth consistency. It's like a cream that's very light, a little bit like Vaseline. I don't know if I can compare it to Vaseline, but you know what I mean. It is a cooling balm. Gotta go in and get our next product, and it is looks like a lip pencil from Jontéblu. Is it French? This is a lip liner. It is a red. It is perfect for fall. And I do have quite a few of these, but at the same time, you can never have too many lip pencils. And I'm gonna put this on right now on top of the gloss I just used for the fun of it. I changed my mind. Okay, so I feel like this is a very, very nice pencil. It is quite matte, but at the same time, it is not like, it's not gonna strip my lips. It's not gonna feel like I'm 95 years old at the end of the day. And I think this is gonna stick on all day actually, which I like. But let me see what it says about it in the master any desired lip color and produce long wearing staying power with Jontéblu lip liner pencil. The creamy, highly pigmented formula glides on effortlessly and can be worn alone, used for flawless lip contouring, or as a long-lasting base for any lip color. It retails at $5. $5. I love it. $5 is my kind of product. I really like when products are affordable, but they're still good quality, and I feel that this is definitely a product that I would go out and buy myself. No, I'm gonna pop this on. Mwah! And now I'm dipping into the next. So what do we have next? So we have Glassy Pretty Fitters Glassy Skin Balm. And I love the package. I think it's gorgeous. But it comes like in a plastic container. And it says glassy. Maybe it's gonna give me the glass skin that I've always wanted. How to use. At the last step of your skincare routine, apply evenly to the face as needed to achieve dewy glowing skin. Applying 2 or 3 times allows for even longer lasting wear. You're supposed to take this 3 times in a row. Wow, that was something new. It smells lovely. It got quite a heavy fragrance to it, so if you don't like fragrance, this is not for you. It smells like citrusy, but at the same time florally. Ultra hydrating priming skin balm with a sensational smooth texture that melts into the skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. It retails at $32 again. It's got like a really nice texture. I'm just using it on my hands now because I haven't washed my face and I don't want to clog my pores. But it smells super fresh. It smells really nice, but at the same time, if you're not a person for fragrance, don't get this. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. This is Tarte High Performance Natural Clay Play Face Shaping Palette. So this is like yeah, I can see it at the back of it. It's a contour palette with lots and lots of shades. Ooh, it smells like candy. This is something I got because when I subscribed for my boxes, there was a code said like Tarte new or something. This is the product itself inside. It has beautiful tones. It's like a neutral, so you can use it for your eyes, for your face, for your everything. And that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna try to use the Becca eye primer thing, and I'm gonna use it on my eyes. Like on my eyelids. I don't know if it's recommended. I'm gonna be grabbing my brow pencil that I've just fixed my brows with, and I'm gonna go into the color Amber. So pretty. And I'm just gonna pop this like an eyeliner. I'm just gonna grab another smaller brush and I'm just gonna fluff this out to create a little bit more natural look. Here's the thing. I like to do my eyeliners messy because I always fix them up anyways afterwards. I never just leave them because I just can't. It's not in my nature. My smaller brush, and I'm gonna go into the color Smoke. So you guys, that pretty much sums up this box, and I'm gonna be honest with you, I am very happy with this box. I think I got a lot of good products. I am still on the fence, and of course I haven't tried the face moisturizer. I haven't tried it, and I don't know how it's gonna react to my skin. And also the Becca Cosmetics under eye primer. I like the tingling sensation I got, because I did get a tingling sensation, and I do like a lot of the products. I loved the gloss. The gloss was amazing. I love the plumping feel it was supposed to give, even though I don't feel it did plump up my lip. And I summed up all the products that I got, and it was like $123 if I excluded the palette from Tarte, which I believe is another $40 or something, because I got that on a coupon, so I don't expect to get that every single month. But I am very, very happy with this box, and I would love to know what you thought about your box and what you thought about this box. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. But anyways, I really hope that I get to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure to do it now. Bye! Yeah, I fell off my ball.